Unit 24, Part A, Activity 3B. Listen and check. Are your answers similar to the descriptions?
Child labour is the act of making small children quit or skip school to work in an unsuitable or dangerous environment in exchange for a small amount of money. Domestic slavery is similar to child labour, but in this case, these children cannot quit when they want to, and they might not even get paid. Child marriage is the act of making children under 18 get married, with or without their agreement. Forced criminality is when a child is forced to steal, rob, or do other illegal activities.
Unit 24, Part B, Activity 2A. Listen to the radio program. Put these sentences in order.
Welcome, Ms. Raksa. Thank you for joining us today. Can you introduce yourself?
Thank you for having me. My name is Raksa. I'm a consultant with an organization called All Children. Our goal is to create a brighter society in which no one has to suffer from exploitation anymore.
What a big goal! Who usually comes to consult with you?
It's mainly children who have been protected by our organization. Because of traumatic experiences, many of them often have nightmares.
Doesn't everyone have nightmares?
These aren't your regular nightmares. The nightmares they often see are like flashbacks. Basically, it's like they're experiencing those horrible situations again.
How do they occur?
They usually occur when these children see something or someone that reminds them of their traumatic experiences. It can be somewhere that they were hurt or something that was used to harm them. We may be able to give them a better place to live, but it's almost impossible to erase their painful memories.
That sounds absolutely awful. Can these experiences interfere with their future?
Unfortunately, yes, they can. These children can grow up to have trust issues, low self-esteem, or become depressed, scared, or anxious. If this abuse happens from a very young age, the victims might even have a personality disorder.
How would we know if a child is being exploited? Are there any signs we should be aware of?
Yes, there are a few things that may help. The first sign is unexplainable bruises or wounds, for example, on their abdomen or back. Remember, the wounds are almost always on the spots that no one bothers to check. Secondly, pay attention to how they are at school. Do they often skip their classes? Do they cause trouble like they're under a lot of stress? The third point is very obvious. Do they go missing from time to time? Do they usually come home late? The fourth sign is about drugs or alcohol. And lastly, if your child comes back with expensive things or a large sum of money out of nowhere, you should investigate rather than be happy.
Let's say I found the exploiter. What should I do?
Do not approach them. Don't let them know because the exploiter might threaten the child or hurt them even more. Instead, you should quickly report them to the authorities or organizations like us so that we can give advice and investigate how to rescue the child.
Thank you for sharing such valuable information with us. I'm sure everybody will take this matter seriously from now on.
No problem. For anyone that doesn't know who to contact, call our number.
And thanks again, Ms. Raksa. Please have a nice day. Goodbye.